this market. Very, very famous market in Korea. It's over 100 years old. We're hungry, so we're trying to find something to eat. Lots and lots and lots of things to eat at this market here. Here we go. Now it looks like we got to the street food section. This is probably that bean cake he was talking about. Mung bean pancake maybe? Hello. Thank you. 안녕하세요. Ooh, dumplings. Stir-fried rice cake. That tteokbokki looks good. Okay, so you want to try some? Tteokbokki. Mandu.
Kimchi mandu, gogi mandu, small mix.
This one, and maybe this japchae. Very nice colors. 얼마요?
먹고 계산해.
Okay. Eat first. They trust us. All right, let's try this Korean japchae. Here we go. Come close. That's good. That's very good.
How's the peanut butter taste?
Peanut butter?
The peanut taste. This is really good.
Tteokbokki in Korea, the real thing. It's been 15 years since I've been here. It's good. 아줌마, kimchi 주세요.
What is ajumami?
Old lady. It's normal in Korea. Kimchi. 감사합니다. Kimchi time. That's 맛있어요. That's so good. I love your kimchi.
I love some kimchi.
Korean dumplings. It's so soft, very, very fresh. This dumpling has kimchi in it.